Hey guys, I'm Bob, and about a year ago I gave a video tutorial on how to replace one of these plastic clips on a Lifetime Tahoma sit-on-top kayak. The Tahoma is the same as the Tioga, so the latest names I think is called Tioga. And I replaced it to hold up the seat itself. And I'm holding the seat up here with a bungee cord because it's actually propped up on my patio. I did come up with a much better option as far as using two clips. There's an option where you can use one metal aluminum clip over here, which I've already installed on this side of the seat. So what I'd like to do now is go into my workshop and I can show you the actual part, do a quick unboxing and compare the two options. But this is a much better option because you're going from two pieces down to one metal piece that won't rust. So let's head over to my workshop and I'll do a quick unboxing, and then we'll come back out and install the other metal clip over here. Okay, so I'm in my workshop now, and it came in an envelope like this, kind of a padded envelope. I ordered two more because I already had two, and I have two kayaks, so I needed four to do all of the clips. So it came in a pack of two. All right. Let's see. Here it is, right here. It's made out of aluminum, and if you compare the two, the other clip set had actually two parts. It had the top part here, and it had a bottom part. And so the advantage to using this new aluminum clip is that you can replace these two pieces, which always seem to fail. So you get 2 points of failure here as opposed to one in the metal. So I think it's a great solution for, instead of dealing with this piece and this piece, that you just have one piece that also will never rust because it's made out of aluminum. And all you're doing is, in this piece you would put the strap through here, but in this piece you put the strap through here, which I'll show you when we get outside. And then so you end up having only this on one side and another one on the other side, without having to have four pieces for one kayak. You have two for one kayak. That is going to be much more long lasting, at least in my opinion. I've already used them, the other two, and they have never slipped yet. They're rock solid, and that's why I'm saying this is a much better option than dealing with these two pieces instead of this. So let's go outside and we'll just strap on the actual seat strap into here and show you how to make the replacement from these two to this one on the top. And then you want to pull this back and then put this in here, and then you can adjust this to whatever distance you need. So I'm just going to pull it back a little bit just so I can show you. So I'm going to then put this right over the top, and this recess portion you can pull back and it'll slide right into place, and then you can just pull it back there. So now we have both sides replaced with the metal clips. So I think if you try this option, it's going to be much better for you going forward. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, and I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. I do have a lot more videos on this particular kayak, including kayak accessories, and a video review of this Lifetime Tahoma kayak. So thanks very much, and we'll see you next time.